Hello Airfix fans and welcome back to another retro unboxing. This time around we're throwing it back to 2002 and checking out the 1/72nd scale short Skyvan. Believe it or not, the tooling for this kit dates all the way back to 1974. You may have noticed all the logos in the corner of the box front. You've got 3 schemes included in this box: a Greek Olympic Airways scheme, a NASA scheme and an Austrian Air Force scheme. The story of the short Skyvan light transport is one of reliability, ruggedness and steady sales. By April 1974, a total of 105 Skyvans had been sold to more than 35 operators, both military and civil. Olympic Airways, whose attractive markings are provided with this kit, flew 2 Skyvans on tourist service to and from the Greek islands. On this sprue you'll find the 2 pilots included in this kit along with their separate arms. You'll definitely need a pair of tweezers to stick them together. Moving on to the clear parts, and there's a lot of them. They even get smaller and smaller as you work down the sprue. And finally, the decals. You can see the 3 schemes separated across the decal sheet along with some common ones you'll find across all 3 schemes. Well, that wraps up our look at the short Skyvan from 2002. Did you have a crack at building this kit? Let us know in the comments below, and as always, please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.